Hello and welcome to my video. I hope you're all doing good. From an ocean project, I had leftover resin and I poured it into this little tray mold, and in this video I want to show you what I did with it. This is going to be the second video of my 3-part series with stamping with gilding glue. So come with me and I'll show you how it works. So these are the silicone stamps that I used in my first video already, and I'm just putting it into my little tray just to see if the layout works and how and where to put them down. So when I was satisfied with the placing of those leaves, it didn't came out the way that I planned it anyhow. So yeah. So this is the gilding glue. It's kind of a paste, and I'm taking my little sponge and dabbing it onto my stencils. No, not on the stencil, on the stamps, and stamping those into my little tray. And I do that the same thing with all the stamps and stamp them in there until the tray is full. I suggest if you use the gilding glue onto your stamps there, just rub them off and clean them out with isopropanol alcohol right away, because otherwise it will stick like hell. This is like so sticky that you have this glue all over the place. I'm trying to figure out which color I should use in this foil. This foil, you can have it in many different colors. And I have a blue and a rainbow colored one here, and I'm trying to decide and think about which one looks best on this tray. And yeah, I stuck to the rainbow one, and I think this was a good choice. My impatient me made me dry out the gilding glue with a hairdryer again, but if you do that, make sure that you won't apply too much heat, otherwise you will damage your resin. I'm measuring now how much of this foil I will need, and I will cut a piece accordingly. And this foil is really, really thin. Just make sure that you won't scratch it on the underneath part, because you will see this in the end. So this is like really, yeah, not so easy to do, because the foil is so lightweight and it flies all over the place. And the static is real, I tell ya. So the only thing that you really have to do is trying to get the foil onto your piece and just press it down gently, rub it a little bit gently, and the foil will transfer exactly to the pieces where the gilding glue is stuck to the piece. after you put your foil down and you rub it accordingly, just a little bit gently, just gently take the foil off of your piece, otherwise you probably take some of the foil back off again. Now look at that. I just love that. Look at those colors and look at the shine that it has. This is like, what do you think? Do you like it as much as I do? And looking at that leftover foil, this looks like you can do something with that piece of foil too, but I didn't really know what yet. To protect the gold foil, I will put a thin coat of resin on top of them, just to make sure that nothing can scratches them off again. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, comment, give me a thumbs up. This would help me a great deal, and I hope you like the second part of this little mini series, just the same as I did, and I hope I'll see you on the third part of this series, which is going to be launched at I guess next week. And yeah, until then, I hope I see you again. Bye bye.